Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lift kits for F150 that are available on the market for their true quality. These kits are perfect for anyone looking to enhance their truck's ground clearance, suspension, and off-road capability. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Flex Hitch Leveling Lift Kit for 2004 to 2020 F150s. This kit offers a 3-inch front and 2-inch rear lift, which ensures a balanced and aggressive stance for your truck. One of the standout features of this kit is its build quality. Made from 6061 T6 forged aircraft-grade aluminum and paired with grade 12.9 bolts, it's designed to ensure durability and compatibility with OEM parts. The high-temperature powder coating enhances its corrosion resistance, making it a great choice for long-term use even in harsh conditions. Performance-wise, the Flex Hitch Kit does an excellent job of optimizing suspension geometry, improving handling, and creating space for larger tires. It's a solid choice for light off-roading enthusiasts and those who want to give their truck a more aggressive look. However, it lacks some of the advanced features seen in higher-ranked kits, such as adjustable control arms or more specific customization options. The Flex Hitch is a reliable, budget-friendly option for those looking to improve their truck's appearance and functionality without breaking the bank. However, with only a 4.5-star rating from a limited number of reviews, it may not be the best choice for more serious off-road applications. Pros include affordability and corrosion resistance, while the lack of advanced features is its main drawback. Our number 3 pick is the THOCAC 3-inch front, 2-inch rear full leveling lift kit. This kit is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including 2004 to 2024 F150s, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. It's crafted from 6061 T6 forged aircraft-grade aluminum and features high-strength 12.9 grade bolts. The advanced powder coating ensures resistance to oxidation and corrosion, which is perfect for trucks that see heavy use in tough conditions. What makes this kit stand out is its focus on durability and safety. The optimized suspension geometry ensures better handling and stability, while the enhanced ground clearance makes it a great choice for both on-road and off-road applications. However, THOCAC recommends using adjustable upper control arms for vehicles lifted by 3 inches, which could mean additional costs for buyers. With a 4.8-star rating, this lift kit is highly regarded for its quality and reliability. It's a great option for truck owners who want a durable and long-lasting solution. The pros include its wide compatibility and robust build, while the additional need for adjustable control arms could be seen as a con for some buyers. At the runner-up spot, we have the KSP Lift Kit for F150. This kit offers a 3-inch lift on both the front and rear, making it an excellent choice for those who want to maintain a level stance while improving ground clearance. The 6061 T6 aluminum construction ensures that the kit is both lightweight and extremely durable. Additionally, the black powder coat protects against corrosion, making it ideal for long-term use in various environments. One of the highlights of the KSP kit is its user-friendly installation process. With all the necessary hardware included, most users can install this kit within 2 to 4 hours. The extended U-bolts and unique rear leaf spring block design provide enhanced stability and support. However, you'll need to get an alignment after installation, which is standard for most lift kits. With a 4.6-star rating and over 1,600 reviews, this kit is a favorite among F150 owners. It's perfect for those who want a straightforward installation and reliable performance. Pros include its ease of installation and durable design, while the need for post-installation alignment is a minor drawback. Finally, at number 1, we have the dynofit Leveling Lift Kit. This kit is compatible with 2004 to 2020 F150 models and offers a 3-inch front and 2-inch rear lift. Engineered with off-roading in mind, it improves tire clearance, ground balance, and overall suspension geometry. The aluminum blocks are a patented design, making them lighter and more durable than traditional steel blocks. The dynofit kit is built with precision, featuring CNC-machined aircraft-grade aluminum and 10.9-grade bolts. This ensures both high precision and resistance to corrosion. It's an excellent choice for users who want to enhance their truck's off-road capabilities without compromising on road performance. The kit also comes with a 24-hour customer support promise, which adds peace of mind for buyers. With a 4.6-star rating and over 1,000 reviews, the dynofit kit is a proven favorite among F150 enthusiasts. It's ideal for those who want a combination of aggressive styling and reliable performance. Pros include its lightweight design and off-road optimization, while the need for alignment after installation is a common drawback. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.